The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. This isn't a call to self-sacrifice or a dismissal of personal fulfillment. Not at all. This is a radical act of self-discovery, a declaration of interconnectedness, and a foundational principle for cultivating a life of profound joy, impact, and legacy. It means recognizing that each of us is born with unique talents, passions, and abilities, our gifts, that are meant to be discovered, honed, and then shared generously with the world. It means understanding that true fulfillment comes not just from having a gift, but from the profound act of giving it, thereby enriching the lives of others and contributing to something far greater than ourselves. Part 1. The quest for meaning. Why finding your gift matters. Let me be honest about why I, and many others, sometimes struggle to find our gift or to even believe we have one. It's a common trap, rooted in a few powerful yet limiting beliefs and fears. Consider the common reasons we overlook or neglect our gifts. The comparison trap. We look at others' seemingly extraordinary talents and feel that our own are insignificant or not special enough. We compare our raw, undeveloped gifts to someone else's polished mastery. This is why chase your dreams, not people, becomes so vital. Fear of failure and judgment. Developing a gift often involves stepping into the unknown, taking risks, and potentially failing. We worry about what others will think if our gift isn't immediately perfect or if we're perceived as unrealistic. This is where you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think is essential. The practicality trap. We're often told to prioritize what's safe or pays well, even if it doesn't align with our natural inclinations. We sideline our passions, believing our gifts are luxuries we can't afford. This is why follow your passion, it will lead you to your purpose. Lack of self-belief. We might not truly believe that we possess a unique gift or that our contributions could genuinely make a difference. This self-doubt makes us hesitant to even explore our potential. This is why you are enough is a foundational truth. The illusion of a single grand gift. We might believe that a gift must be a singular, monumental talent, overlooking the myriad of smaller, unique abilities and qualities we possess: kindness, empathy, problem-solving, listening, organizing, inspiring. The cost of failing to find your gift is immense. It's a life lived with a constant sense of unfulfillment, a diminished capacity for joy, and a feeling of being disconnected from your true potential. You might be successful by external metrics, but you won't be truly vibrant or deeply satisfied. You'll be pushed by your problems, your internal dissatisfaction, rather than led by your dreams. Your potential remains untapped, and you miss the opportunity to live the life you've imagined. Part 2. The act of giving. Why purpose lies in sharing. If the quest for meaning pulls us inward to discover our gift, then the profound truth that the purpose of life is to give it away propels us outward with an unstoppable, authentic force. True purpose isn't about accumulation, it's about contribution. What defines the transformative power of giving your gift away? It creates profound meaning and fulfillment. The act of using your unique talents and passions to serve others, to solve a problem, or to bring joy creates a deep, enduring sense of meaning that no external reward can match. This is the ultimate expression of happiness is not by chance, but by choice. It amplifies your impact. When you give your gift away, its power multiplies. Your talent, your kindness, your insight, they touch lives, solve problems, and create positive ripple effects far beyond what you could achieve alone. This is why shine so bright that others can't ignore your light. It deepens connection. When you give your gift, you create authentic bonds. Whether it's through your art, your service, your mentorship, or your compassion, you connect with others on a deeper, more meaningful level. This is why spread love everywhere you go. It fuels growth and learning. The act of giving your gift often pushes you to develop it further, to learn new skills, and to grow in unexpected ways. The challenges of serving others become opportunities for your own evolution. This is why passion fuels progress. It builds resilience and perspective. When you are focused on contributing, your own challenges often seem less overwhelming. The act of giving provides perspective, reminding you of the bigger picture and your capacity to make a difference. This is how you rise above the storm and find the sunshine. It's proof that life is tough, but so are you. When I actively choose to give my gift away, my life becomes more vibrant, my purpose clearer, and my joy more complete. I operate from a place of abundance, contribution, and authentic impact. Part 3. My Gift and Purpose Toolkit: Practical Strategies for a Meaningful Life. So, how do I actively cultivate and maintain this profound understanding that the meaning of life is to find your gift, the purpose of life is to give it away? It's a conscious choice, a daily practice, and a retraining of my mindset. Self-discovery. Finding your gift. Reflect on your passions. What activities make you lose track of time? What do you love to learn about? What problems do you feel compelled to solve? These are clues to your gifts. This is why follow your passion. It will lead you to your purpose. Identify your natural strengths. What comes easily to you that others find difficult? What do people consistently ask you for help with? These are often your innate gifts. Recall past triumphs. Think about moments when you felt most alive, most impactful, or most deeply engaged. What gifts were you using in those moments? This helps you be proud of how far you've come. You are enough. Believe that you do have a gift. Develop your gift, honing your craft. Once you've identified a potential gift, commit to developing it. This requires practice, learning, and consistent effort. This is why passion fuels progress. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Begin imperfectly. Time is non-refundable. Use it wisely on honing your gift. Seek opportunities to give. The purpose in action. Start small. Look for small, everyday opportunities to give your gift away. It doesn't have to be a grand gesture, a kind word, a listening ear, sharing your knowledge, offering a genuine compliment. This reinforces one small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Volunteer. Find causes or organizations that resonate with your gifts and offer your time and talent. Mentor or teach. Share your expertise with others who could benefit. Create and share. If your gift is creative, art, writing, music, share your creations with the world. Embrace authenticity and vulnerability. Giving your gift authentically means being real, not perfect. Don't let the fear of judgment stop you from sharing your unique contribution. This is why you were born to be real, not perfect. Remember, never dim your light for someone else's comfort. Your gift is meant to shine. Focus on contribution, not recognition. The purpose of giving is the act itself and its positive impact. While recognition can be nice, don't let it be the primary driver. Your value is intrinsic. This reinforces your value doesn't decrease based on someone else's inability to see your worth. This is about being the reason someone believes in the goodness of people. Cultivate a giving mindset. Consciously look for ways to contribute, to help, to uplift others. Make it a daily practice to ask, how can I give my gift today? This is how you spread love everywhere you go. Conclusion. My life a symphony of gift and purpose. I've learned this profound truth. The meaning of life is to find your gift. The purpose of life is to give it away. This is not a philosophical abstract. It is a practical guide for living a life of profound joy, impact, and legacy. It means that within each of us lies a unique treasure waiting to be unearthed and then shared generously with the world. I will not let the fear of inadequacy, the weight of external expectations, or the illusion of a hidden purpose keep me from discovering my gift and giving it freely.